You sure about that? So Mango, I know I've seen you before, and I appreciate the support. I love all of my long-term watchers. However, my friend, I have to disagree with you about day one, because I don't think I've ever told you guys this before, but you guys can verify me on this because you can go in my YouTube archives. I'm pretty sure they're still up there. I don't think I took them down. But Mango, I can assure you with 100% certainty that you are not here since day one, because I was doing streaming for a little while there. This is like late May, something like that, where I had a grand total of 0 viewers. I would go on YouTube and I would start up a stream, and if nobody showed up after 10 minutes, I would stop the stream. And that happened to me for like a couple of weeks. I don't know if I left every single one up there, but you can go out there, you can find streams that I did where I had 0 viewers. Not like one person that popped in and left. I mean like 0 viewers. So I disagree. I was by myself on a lot of those day ones. I had a lot of day ones. But I appreciate the support that you guys give.